Hey teachers! The Scratch Encore team has worked to make the Scratch Encore curriculum as accessible to you as possible. One way that we've done so is by creating an automated studio grader to help you see how individual students and your class as a whole are doing. The studio grader analyzes the student's code to see if the requirements from the student sheet have been completed. As an added bonus, it also checks to see if the suggested extensions are completed so that you can see what students completed overall. Best of all, the studio grader takes just a few seconds to run. If you want to check your students' projects to see if they've completed the tasks and extensions, simply follow these steps. First, go to the Automated Assessment Tool website. A link is conveniently located on our Scratch Encore homepage. Once you are on the Studio Grader website, select the module and lesson that you are grading. This ensures that the grader looks for the correct requirements. Next, simply paste the Studio link at the bottom of the page and click Go. The Studio Grader will produce results by individual student as well as an overall class meter showing how students did. For the example class that I just checked, notice that 3 students are done, 8 students are almost done, and 6 students need some more support. Remember that coding is an iterative process, and you can always debug and try again. So the Studio Grader results don't have to be final. It's up to you to decide how to use it. You can look at the results of the individual students. Students will be listed by Scratch ID. Task requirements that students met will be marked with a check mark, like this. Tasks that students did not complete are marked with a red X. From here, simply click on a student's project ID to navigate to their project and see exactly what they did. We hope the Studio Grader will help to give you a quick overview of how your students did. As an added bonus, if you want students to be able to check their projects on their own to see how they are making progress, check out the Student Project Checker. Thanks for your interest in the Scratch Encore curriculum.